Kuki MLAs, including 2 ministers, have submitted a memorandum to the Union Minister of the Ministry of Development of Northeastern Region. They state that the current government has neglected development projects under NEC in all hill districts of the state, primarily Churchandpur, Kangpokpi, Technopal and Ferozpur district, due to the prevailing crisis since May 3rd last year. The memorandum submitted on May 29th highlights that the mentioned districts are suffering adverse impacts on development and administration due to neglect from present government. It highlighted that over the past year, development works in these areas have come to a halt due to the suspension of funds for road construction and other infrastructure development, including the Special Development Fund for tribal MLAs of 1 crore per year by the government. Furthermore, the memorandum noted that these districts were excluded from the priority list submitted to the Northeast Council by the state government. In response to this matter, Minister Late Pau Haukip, Nemcha Kipgen, MLA Haukalet Kipgen, LM Kaute, Norsanglur Nate, Chinlungthang, Mimnio Haukip Hangsing, Paulilian Haukit, Lezamang Haukip and Vungzagin Valte urged the ministry to ensure that the NEC development program for the current year 2024-2025 includes projects for development works in Churchandpur, Kangpokpi, Technopal and Ferozpur district.